to Letchworth State Park. Oh, gimme. Good morning. How about you, dude? I want to go back to bed. You don't have to be out at 10. Well, 11, but... Alright, Dukkie's all fed. And I feel like just relax a little bit more. It's always 7 o'clock.
Hey, Trev, you actually had some decent weather, I would imagine, at Letchworth, right?
Yeah, it's been beautiful. Right now, we're going to get everything packed up, ready to go. Perfect circles. Come on, Dukkie. He found a spot, so I covered him up. I like covering him up, especially when it's a little chilly. It's a beautiful day today, though. It's not really too chilly. Let's see what it is. 64 degrees. That's pretty good. This beautiful spot in beautiful upstate New York. Western New York, Letchworth State Park, number 717 and 700 loop, dog loop. It has electric. It's a nice spot for a good sized camper and some tents. And don't forget, we finally got some neighbors yesterday, a nice van. That's kind of what I like to upgrade to. I want a 4x4. And we are going to head back to Rochester. I'm going to film as much as possible to show you guys the reality of living in a microvan. I'm TrevDev. That's the Dukemeister. And we're traveling around the country. We have camping, traveling in a microvan with a dog. Thanks for watching. American Freedom Tour 2023. Fired up. Enjoy the ride. Dukkie, ready to go to Grandpa's? Cabin area and caretaker cabin. Pretty cool. AC too. Yeah, that's the one that they're showing. Caretaker's cabin. Cool. So you got that out. Hey Don. How you doing? Good. Is it GoPro? Yeah. Oh, there's the van. Genesee River is dammed right there. It was so nice, wasn't it, Dukkie? It was so nice to be in this